Hello everybody, Ali here, and today I just took a shot on Euro, a weakness seen. Look at the move, like the buyers try to push, and then 6-7 candles in a row, and then the bear attempt, and then they pushed it into the new high. New high made, new high tested, sorry about that, new high tested to the tick, okay, and then they are turning down. So now, assuming this is a range, let me just range highs. Okay, let me draw in the right way. Perfect, that's fine, right? Range highs and then small little range, right? So what is happening? They are pushing lower. They broke the range lows, right? So assuming these sellers, they know that this is the range, they will exit their position and new buyers will jump into the trade, and then they will peak above the range. And now what we are doing is just a little trap of the range lows. Either it might fall, but I am just looking for the range lows. That's it. So the risk is really smaller. I'll be managing it manually. So this is our stop just above the previous 5-minute candle high, and the reward is back to this range lows. All right, heavy pressure coming in to the sell side. I have moved my TP to the downside just in case they just hammer it lower. So that's it. We'll be trailing, as said, manually. So the stop is reduced, at least in case if this candle closes really bearish, like bearish engulfing candle, definitely will look into tighten the stop. But this is what I don't want to see, like they come back down and then bang, like a doji, and then the buyers attempt. No. What I want to see is just hammer this market to the downside. So hopefully we'll get it. There you go. A close is there, and then now I don't like a lot of wick at the bottom. This shadow is what makes me worry. But anyhow, our target is sitting right at the lows. So hopefully we'll get it, or else not. We'll just trail our stop. And then just looking for extra like 10 pips. That's it. Hopefully I'll get it, because they have missed. They have ticked a new high, and we know that this is a failure. So hoping that they might trap those new low as well, like a little tick, and then push back up down. So that's why I have moved my TP. So hopefully we'll get it. See you in some time. That's the move we were looking for, an aggressive breakout, because we don't want to see a bullish candle in this move. All bullish candles will be sold. You saw a bull attempt, sold. A bull attempt, a doji, a weak doji. You know, a doji is an indecision. But knowing this, that this is a range, and they might trap new sellers, new buyers into. All right, that was the move that we were looking for. We didn't get it. In case if this candle closing added highs, I'll just exit the trade. And so this was the move that we were looking for, an aggressive breakout move, which is good. It happened, and it happened really fast. So you have to be in the move, assuming that this is a range, and in a range what you have to do, I'm sorry, and in a range what you have to do, sell the highs, right? Sell the highs, or sell the range highs and buy the range lows, or an aggressive breakout, which many buyers bought, or scaling in. They bought here, and then they even bought a new fresh low. So assuming that this range breakout won't last, and then we just waited for a nice pullback. We got a pullback. We just right into the range highs. We shorted it and bang. Okay, so we got our new target filled as well. That was hitting at the trap for the new buyers, and then they just dunked the market. New buyers attempt, or that might be just a profit taking, knowing that this aggressive move won't last, and then they just hammered the market. They booked the profit, and that caused this bullish engulfing candle. And that bullish engulfing candle, those sellers who missed selling at the highs, they would enter at a better price. Of course, they will close the sale of the bullish candle. and then sold that bullish attempt and then drive this market to the downside, and now we see some spiky area. So overall, a beautiful trade, range fading the range highs, small little range, right? What they did, they trapped a high, right? They gave us a nice pullback and another entry, and then we took our entries, and then the market just dunked. And we got our target filled, like $259 on the trade. So seems good, like 25 pips, right? So 25 pips by risking just less than 10 pips, as my stop was just above the previous 5-minute candle, right? So since they trapped a new high, so I was assuming that they're gonna trap a new low as well, which they did, right? And then I wasn't expecting that in all one candle. And as you can see, as soon as the candle dunked, right? Quick, book the profit. So that's it. Hope you learned something beautiful. Move to the downside. See you next time. Bye.